How are the puppies liking getting outside?
I'm loving it.
Look at them getting around.
They sure are.
What do you have, Silas?
Here we have Saffron.
Hang on,
And-
Olive's in the way.
He's okay. Come here, Lassie.
All the puppies are, all the dogs are getting in the way.
Lassie. Come here, Lassie. Okay.
Here.
Yes.
There we go.
Perfect
Okay,
puppy
we'll start
deal.
over here. Marigold, Azalea, Harper, Saffron, Clem, Borage, Aster, and Tear are up here. Did I say Marigold? This is Marigold. I did.
This is Dahlia, Keytack, Becca, Dandelion, Tear, Chrysanthemum, and this is Petunia. Oh, and Honeysuckle.
They're not gonna like it next Tuesday when it snows, are they? Not gonna be as happy to come outside.
They won't come outside.
No, but they're loving it today.